What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you my fidget toys out of my fidget collection. So first things first is we have my squishies. So I have a squishy earth ball. It's very squishy. And then next I have a squishy baseball, a miniature one. And then after that I have a spike ball. It's rainbow. And then after that I have a blue and white snake, and then I have a red and white snake, and then next I have a super stretchy and pokey squishy banana. Then after that I have my little pink bear keychain poppet. And then after that, I have my simple dimple. Okay, bye.